Everyone, welcome back to MK Tuition Center. Alright, so we have this question under coordinate geometry. We have been given an XY plane and we have been told to find the equation of this line and also its distance. Okay, so the distance will be from this point to that point, and the equation will be for this line. Okay, so for us to find the equation, it means we need to have gradient, and I believe by now we all know how to find gradient. So m will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So point A has coordinates 0 comma negative 2 and B has 6 comma 6. All right, so this will be my x1, y1, x2 and y subscript 2. Okay, so m will be equal to y2 is 6 minus y1, which is, so this negative is for the formula, and y1 itself has a negative. All right, so x2 is 6 minus x1, which is 0, and then m will be equal to, this will be 6 plus 2 over 6, which is going to be 8 over 6, and this fraction can be further simplified using 2 in this case. So 2 into 8 will be 4, 2 into 6, this will be 3. So we're going to have our gradient as 4 over 3. Okay, so the gradient is 4 over 3. Now, after having the gradient, we can have this formula: y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Okay, so this will guide us to find the equation. Y1 in this case is negative 2. You have seen there's a negative for the formula, and also y1 has its own negative. M is 4 over 3, x minus x1 is 0. So we're going to have y plus 2 equals to 4 over 3 x, and this one times that one will give us this, and this one times 0 will give us 0. So we're going to have it like this, and then we're going to make y the subject and have something like this. Okay, so this becomes the equation of this line. Okay, so after the equation, let's have a look at its distance from A to B. All right, A to B. So first of all, distance AB will be equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so we're going to have this formula, and the next step is just to substitute. So we're going to have x2 as 6 minus x1, which is 0 squared, plus y2, which is 6 minus y1, which is, so this one becomes like this. Okay, so AB will be equal to the square root of, this will be 6 squared plus this will be 8 squared. AB will be equal to the square root of, this is 36 plus this is 64. I'm sure by now you have already seen the answer. So AB will be equal to the square root of, this one will give us a sum of 100, and we are going to have the answer for AB as 10 units. Okay, so some might say, why are we not having plus or minus? Look at this, we are looking for distance, and distance can only be positive unless if we're talking about displacement, but in this case we're referring to distance, which can only be a positive value. Okay, so that's how it is done. For now, stay blessed and stay tuned and follow for more.